Ways of making money online without any training. 2024. There are several ways to make money online without formal training in 2024. While some of these methods might require you to pick up new skills, they don't necessarily demand specialized training or degrees. Here are some options. Freelance editing. Write articles, blog posts, or website content for clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Content creation on social media. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page to create and share content. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Virtual assistants offer virtual assistant services for tasks such as email management, data entry, and scheduling on freelancing websites like Upwork. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale through affiliate marketing programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Online surveys and reviews. Participate in paid online surveys and write product reviews on websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vendal Research. Sell handmade items on Etsy. If you have a crafty side, sell handmade crafts, jewelry, or artwork on Etsy. Virtual real estate. Buy, sell, or trade virtual real estate or in-game items within online games or virtual worlds. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photo websites such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. Remote customer service. Apply for remote customer service positions on job boards like Indeed or Remote OK. Create and sell printables. Designate and sell printable templates for planners, checklists, or art on Etsy or other online marketplaces. Participate in online contests. Enter online contests and competitions that offer cash prizes on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or specialized contest websites. Rent out your assets. Rent out your tools, equipment, or even your parking space on platforms like Fat Llama or Airbnb. Create and sell ebooks. Write and publish ebooks on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. You can create content on various topics, both fiction and non-fiction. Remote data entry. Look for remote data entry jobs on freelancing platforms where you can input information for businesses. Online tutoring for basic subjects. Offer tutoring services for elementary or high school subjects on platforms like Chegg Tutors. These options provide opportunities for earning money online without the need for formal training. While some may require you to learn as you go, the learning curve is often manageable and success can come with persistence and dedication. Always be cautious of potential scams and choose reputable platforms to ensure a positive experience.